Now, it wouldn't be putting my money where my mouth is if I didn't also show you the same system that I use and how I customized it and how I'm actually using it. It's one thing to show you a system full of sample data. It is a whole nother thing to show you this is the system I use every day to run multiple businesses, create content, bring in 10K months. It is powerful. And it's the same thing I use. So I'm going to show it to you now because I just love it so much. This is my calm and clear system as I customized it and how I use it. I have been using this now for the last 3 months or so. I absolutely love it. I haven't really changed very much at all except for the way that it looks. And any changes I did make, I made in the other one too. So we're both up to date. I'm going to mark that as done. I had brunch with my mom today. You'll see I have my today's tasks, and everybody gripes at me about my font that I use. There are different fonts you can use on Notion, but I love mono. Okay, you don't have to love it, you don't have to use it, but I love it and I use it. I have all of my tasks for today. I have all of my rituals as well. I have all the projects that I currently have going on, and you can see I have completion dates and how far that I've done. I really love it. It helps me so much to see what I have going on. I've got my page navigation over here. I will show you those in a moment. My weekly win, my favorite quote by Audrey Hepburn, and then other pages that I have that are just like other Notion templates live down here so that I can access them super easily. I also added more images and GIFs because you can literally never have enough images and GIFs in your system, and it just makes it so pretty. I also got a bunch of Ghibli GIFs or Ghibli, depending on how you say it, GIFs that I will share a link to in this video description. If you want to download like the covers and the icons and like all of that stuff, I will share the link to that. I have my week view. As you can see, I actually use this. This is my real to-do list that I have been doing for the past few months. Oh, there you go. I started using it on May 24th. That's my to-do list that I actually use. This is all stuff I have to do today. Oh, look at that. You know what? I'm marking it as done today because we are like 90% through. I also have a week view for my rituals, my project tasks, and then all tasks and events, as well as my archive. As you can see, I pretty much literally just use the week view. I don't really use these that much, but I kept them there just for the times when I might want to look at them. And then I have my notes section. You'll see so many content notes in here. So sometimes I want these to show up over here so that I don't have to do an extra click, and I will put them there. If I go to my all notes section, it's like, whew, there's a lot of stuff in there. That is why I love this little info hub. And that's my homepage. I couldn't be happier with it. This makes me so happy to look at. I literally love it. This is just kind of fun to show you, like, this is what it can look like when you're done customizing it and sort of making it your own. Still extremely powerful, but also really fun to look at. Like, the dopamine in my brain is just like pew, 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 because I love looking at this so much. We'll jump around real quick to show you my other pages. I call this my task manager page. In the system, it's more like a focused working space, but I don't really use this page at all. I am so good with the week view and the way that I do my tasks that I don't often have to look at them. I do come over here though, because there are tasks that maybe don't have let's look at a date assigned. Sometimes I put a bunch of tasks on a project and I won't assign them a date. And what I'll do is come over here and I might like schedule out like a bunch of them. If I'm like, okay, I'm ready to start this project, let me map out all these tasks and I'll come here to do that. And then project tasks. I also hide projects in this view in case I just want to see what I'm working on currently, and then my archive. But I really don't use this view a whole ton, except like I said, to come and look at the stuff that has no dates. My business dashboard again has my projects. I don't want to scroll any farther because it has my clients on here, but you can see my project. This is my business dashboard. I use it for my EA clients. I won't show you all of that just for their privacy. My YouTube and content marketing page, you'll see that I have different goals here, any content related tasks, and then I have a ton of ideas in here that are like, these are all written, email marketing stuff, TikTok ideas. Some of these are attached to projects, some of them are not. Either way, this is like where I come and I like to look at these. Sometimes though, I close this YouTube because I'm like, that's too many ideas, Braelyn. My content notes all in one spot, love them. My goals, again, I have down here. I added a second content goal section just because like I really like to see all my goals. And then I added a project section at the bottom too here. This is my personal development page. You can see my 2024 and my 2023. That's my monthly reviews. And then I have my goals. So I have my needs attention, anything that's paused, anything that's in progress, anything that's not started. But I really focus on this needs attention page. That's why it's the one that has all images, because anything that comes over here, I really am like, all right, we are focusing on this. This is a goal that we are going to work on in the near future. And that is it. That is my system that I use, the exact same one that I have just been showing you in the video. It is the same, identical, just different font, different colors, different images. If you want help customizing yours, please come and join us in Discord. We host office hours where you can join a voice chat with us and ask questions about Notion. We also have a section where you can just ask Notion questions in a text chat. And we have a bunch of people in the Discord that really love helping with Notion and just like learning and talking about Notion. So come and join us if you want help. It's a super fun place to hang out.